Familiarize yourself with the Polar Breeze safety precautions and owner's manual. Place the Polar Breeze machine on stable level ground for operation. Never drop, invert, or lay the machine on its side. If this happens, place the machine upright and allow 24 hours before turning the machine on. Plug the power cord into the machine. Insert the male plug into a power source. Turn on the Polar Breeze machine. Insert your hose into the Polar Breeze machine. The Polar Breeze machine has 2 ports and is intended for 2 simultaneous users or less. If only one person is using the Polar Breeze machine, be sure the other port is closed. Never include both ports simultaneously. Insert the other end of the hose into the Polar Breeze hood. Polar Breeze hood has clear panels front and back. If the force of flowing cold air against the face is too much, the hood may be turned around to aim that airstream against the posterior neck and scalp. Tuck the hood into the neck of your shirt. By using the Polar Breeze hood, you're containing cold air to the most important heat-sensitive areas: the face, scalp, neck, upper chest, back, and especially important, cold air to breathe into the lungs to cool your bloodstream and thereby the body from the inside out. The cool air inside the Polar Breeze hood effectively cools the 9% body surface area of the face and scalp, the 1% body surface area of the neck, and cools the 9% each of the anterior chest and back as that cool air exhausts from the Polar Breeze hood. The Polar Breeze hood contains cooled air to be breathed into the lungs. The lungs have a lung surface area 5,900% that of the body surface area, or 59 times the body surface area. Unlike the skin, with its insulating fat inhibiting cooling, the lungs' air sacs, or alveoli, have only 1 cell thickness separating that cooled air from the bloodstream. The entire blood volume passes through the lungs once every 45 seconds, faster during hard exercise. Thus, cooling through the lungs is a very efficient means of rapidly cooling hypothermic exercising individuals. This is cooling the body from the inside out. This rapid cooling of the bloodstream results in direct cooling of the brain's hypothalamus, helping preserve the brain's ability to regulate body heat. For those who refuse the Polar Breeze hood and are not in thermal stress illness, lesser results can be obtained by simply directing the cold air nozzle to the face, neck, down the front of the shirt, or back, or groin. The cold air of Polar Breeze is diluted in outside heat, so cooling through the lungs still occurs, but at a much lesser degree than the Polar Breeze hood. How much cooling depends on outside heat. Polar Breeze, the most effective thermal rehabilitation ever.